bad. Okay, this is Brittany.
Oh shit, Lord, what the fuck is all that?
Oh my god, Brittany. Ew.
It's really scary.
It's all that plastic that's going in the air. Okay, no, let's do it again. Oh god. Do you see that? The camera can't catch it. Oh my god, it's on me. Do you see that?
What's that?
It's everywhere. Look, I wonder if I can zoom in on it. Look, there's one. See it? Holy shit.
Wait, let's do it again.
Okay, go ahead, lit it. Take it. This is so bad. This is like poisonous, I think.
What?
I don't know.
What do you mean?
I don't know. How did you get it to catch on fire?
I don't know.
That shit was high as hell, too. Okay, any minute now.
I don't think it's gonna work again. That was a once in a lifetime thing.
So you're gonna do it where you already caught it on
Yeah.
fire? There you go. You're gonna burn yourself! Oh my god. Oh shit. Okay, Brittany, look at the smoke.
Oh.